guys, it's Marissa again, and now we're going to be working on our fourth mini kit Monday layout for the month of October. So we are going to be using scraps again for this layout, and we are going to use this sticker sheet. I'm basically going to be using the alphabets, and then we're also going to be using the Doodlebug skinny alphabet sheet here. And then I've already cut down my photos. These are cut down to 3 by 5s. And these are the papers that we are going to use. I'm so excited. All right, guys, a lot of scraps for this layout. So we're going to start now by cutting this scrap paper. I'm just going to take out the branding strip here. So this is coming out to be 5 inches, guys. So I'm just gonna cut it off and trim it down to 5 inches, taking this out. And then we have here another scrap paper, and this is 6 by 12. And I'm gonna cut this down to, let's take off the branding strip, and then I'm gonna cut this down to 6 by 5. You know what? Yeah, 6 by, actually let me cut it down to 6 by 4. So yes, I'm winging this, guys. So I'm gonna cut this down to 1 inch. And then maybe cut this off by I'd like to do 7 inches, maybe. No, maybe 6.5, or maybe 6. I'll do it 6, guys. How about that? And then we're going to cut this. Just gonna take off the branding strip, and I'm assuming I'm gonna cut it off by 1 inch. So yes, it's about that. All right. So this is the base of our layout, and I'm gonna go ahead and tack this down. This is gonna be an easy layout, guys. Very easy, as you as I normally do. There you go. And on this end here, I'm going to put this down. Okay, and then from the edge, you know what, I'm gonna leave maybe 1 inch. I'm just eyeballing this, guys, what I think is 1 inch off of this side. So there you go. And I also adhered the polka dot paper about 1/2 inch from the bottom, and also 1/2 inch to the right side. Okay, I adhere. I put adhesive on here. I'm gonna put this about 1 inch, 1 inch from this end, and then 1/2 inch on the top. Then we're going to add on our picture here. I finished putting the title onto the layout using the skinny Doodlebug alphabet stickers out of the oven. I hope you like the layout, guys. I had fun creating this very simple layout in spite of the camera dying on me. But anyway, guys, if you like this layout, give me a thumbs up. And I do hope that you also subscribe if you haven't yet. And that's it for now, guys. Our fourth mini kit Monday layout for the month October. Be safe out there and stay safe, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.